Sudhakar, this is my team. So today our topic is beef. So what is beef? Beef is an website expression tool. So first of all, you have to install the beef tool. This is a command. So in Linux, we have to do installation. First thing is we have to install the beef tool by using first command sudo apt install beef xss. Second thing is after installation, we have to check whether it is installed or not. So we have to check. We have to write the command prompt is beef xss. After writing the beef xss, so there are some prompts are showing. So these are the prompts. First one is website, hook, and script. So these are the main three roles. Second one is hook. So what is hook? Hook means this URL. We have to write the script. What are the hacking are done? We have to write on that script. So we have to script execute on victims is running and give the all the details by using recordings. For example, we have to the keylogger, how the keylogger works. So that's like the beef also work. So, but what the thing is, in keylogger, we have to write the script before. In beef, also write the script and install it the hook. So what the thing is, we have to create a custom IP address by using that custom IP address. What the IP address is there, that IP address sent to the victim person. That victim person, whenever he had to use or click, so we have to take a notification. So this is the beef website. In beef website, we have the admin panel and some tools are there by exploiting. So we have to log in that beef website. After login that whatever the our script, what are the hacking tools have done, script are written. So all the things are shown here. After then, we have to log in the beef website. So what are the victims click are using any cookies or passwords, any of such kind of things. So what are the is there we have seen it here by using beef website. So thank you.